Welcome to Section 4 of our YouTube Ads video training. In this section, we will talk about campaigns, ad group and content exclusions, calls to action overlays, remarketing, and additional YouTube ads tricks. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Campaign, ad group, and content exclusions. As mentioned before, video targeting is where you'll hang out the most to make your video ad campaign as profitable as possible. There are several things you can do for optimizing your video advertising campaign, and one of them is by using the exclusions option. For exclusion, we mean the ability to prevent your ads from showing in certain specific cases of your choice. As mentioned before, there are 6 different targeting methods you can apply to your video ad campaign to narrow your targeting to exactly the audience of your choice. You can take a look at how each of those targeting methods are doing for your ads in the Video Targeting tab. Once you notice your ad isn't relevant to a particular topic or demographic you already added, you can consider adding that topic or demographic as an exclusion. That way you are saving time, money, and effort by avoiding people that are not going to convert very well when they see your ad. Okay, let me show you how to do that. Once you are logged into your Google AdWords account, make sure you are on the Campaigns tab. Then select a video campaign you already have set up. You'll then click on Video Targeting. There you'll find the 6 targeting options: demographics, interests, remarketing, placements, topics, and keywords. Remember that those with the blue dots activated are the ones you decided to use during the creation of your video ad campaign. If you would like to activate others, you just need to click on it and add it to your ad. Okay, when talking about exclusions, you just need to select the one of your choice. By going down the page, you'll notice other options for that specific targeting option. For example, for the demographics option, you'll see you can select from age, gender, and parental status. Right below that, you'll see the exclusion options. As you can see, there are 2 types of exclusions: campaign and ad group exclusions, and the content exclusions. The campaign and ad group exclusions is a specific exclusion for you to apply, related to the targeting option specifically. For example, if you click on the plus exclusion button, you'll need to define if you'd like to add a demographic exclusion to your entire campaign or to a specific group. You need to decide which of the options to exclude from your advertising and click on Save. As you'll notice, do you see how your exclusion has been applied to your campaign? It means the video ad won't be shown to those particular people, in this case to people older than 65 years of age. If you want to remove that exclusion, just select it and click on Remove. Content exclusion works the same, but it is more related to controlling the types of content your ads will show over top of.